In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Zoho Mail. If you need a physical copy of an email for your records, for review, or simply to save important information offline, Zoho Mail makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can print an email quickly and without confusion. To begin, open your Zoho Mail account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside your mailbox, go to your inbox. This is where you'll find all the emails you've received, and it's usually the easiest place to start if you already know the message you want to print. Now, take a moment to locate the specific email you want to print. If your inbox is full, it may help to scan the subject lines carefully so you choose the correct message. This is especially useful if you're printing something important like a receipt, a confirmation, or a message you need to keep for reference. Before opening it, just make sure it's the exact email you want, since that will save you time and help avoid printing the wrong content. Once you've found the right email, click on it to open it. This will display the full message so you can review everything before printing. It's a good idea to quickly check that the email is fully loaded and readable on the screen. That way, you can confirm that all the details you need will be included in the printed version. At the top of the email, look for the downward arrow. This is the menu that contains more actions for that message. Click the downward arrow to open the list of available options. From that menu, select Print. After you click Print, your browser or system print window will usually appear. From there, you can choose your printer, adjust settings if needed, and then proceed with printing the email. If you only need a paper copy for filing, the default settings may be enough. If you want, you can also preview the layout first to make sure everything appears the way you expect before sending it to the printer. And that's it. Open your Zoho Mail account, go to your inbox, find and open the email you want, click the downward arrow at the top, and choose Print. It's a simple process once you know where the option is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.